to say that if I was richer, I'd still be richer. Now ain't that some shit? And although there's pain in my chest, I still wish you the best. So fuck you. Yeah, I'm sorry, can afford a Ferrari, but that don't mean I can't get you there. I guess he's an Xbox and I'm more Atari, but the way you play your game ain't fair. I picture the fool that falls in love with you. She's a gold, well, just don't you know. I've got some news for you. Yeah, go on and tell your little boy.